Have you ever thought of changing or customizing your terminal in Kali Linux? Well, this is going to be our topic for today. Today we will talk about customizing the terminal in Kali Linux. I have my virtual machine, my Kali Linux, open as you see on my screen. And now let's go to the terminal and check how to customize it. So this is my terminal. And in order to customize it, we need to go to File and then Preferences. And clicking on Preferences will open this window. We have like different options. We have first the appearance. We can change the color scheme. We have a lot of schemes like Ubuntu or Tango, and we can then click on OK. Now we have a different, as you see, the color now is different. We'll go back to preferences, then we will change it to Kali dark. It's the same as before, and we have like different widgets that we can use inside the terminal. And then we have the scroll bar position. We can put it on the left. We have the tabs position. These tabs, the file action, we can put them at the bottom or left or right. So they're all customizable. And then we have the cursor shape. We can change it as well. And then we have here a lot of options. Most of them are self-explanatory. We can also change the opacity of the terminal. As you see, it has transparency now. 5%. We can increase it. As you see, it's more transparent now. Or we can decrease the opacity. It depends on what you want. You can go over them all and check what they do. And then we have the behavior of the terminal. And I think this is one of the important things. We can reduce the history. We can reduce the size of the history. So it's now unlimited. We can limit it like to 10 lines. I think for us, for normal users, it doesn't make any sense, but for people who doesn't want their history to be available, to be always available for other people, so it might be helpful to know that they can limit this number. As I said, there are a lot of options. You can go over them, and there is something very important, which is the shortcuts. Because as a Windows user, you have the copy paste options are Control C and Control V, but on Linux it's different. You need to add Shift to all these options, so you can customize it and you can remove the Shift. You can just adjust them to be exactly like the shortcuts on Windows. And then we have the drop downs. You can increase, decrease the width, the height. It's up to you. And then you can enable bookmarks. I don't think they are very important for normal users, but they are there in case you need them. You can use some commands also to adjust or to customize your terminal, but this is like an easy way using the interface of the terminal. So no need to make it more complex and use the terminal to customize it. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.